this video, we will be talking about cleaning your cupboards. So why remove tempting items from your house? Well, it's because the more you look at it, the less likely you can resist it. This is also known as willpower fatigue. It means the more times you have to make a choice, the more difficult that choice becomes every time. They've actually studied brain scans that show our brains become less and less able to make those choices the more times we are presented with them, hence being called decision fatigue. So let's try to make it easier on ourselves and reduce the amount of food decisions we have to make in a day. One of the reasons that we eat food we didn't intend is the famous phrase, "It was just there." Did you eat it because it was available in the cupboard or because you really wanted it? Would you be willing to leave your house, go to the store, and buy a single serving for yourself? Are you physically hungry or emotionally hungry? When these foods aren't in the house, it can reduce temptation and force yourself to ask those questions before you make the decision to eat something. So during this process, what is it helpful to remove from your house? The first thing I recommend is trying to remove as many artificial foods as possible. These are going to be processed and packaged foods. They may be foods that are sweetened with artificial, man-made chemicals. They might be artificially colored, or something that seems kind of unnatural. Think Kool-Aid, Pop-Tarts, coffee creamer, or really brightly colored yogurt. The other thing I recommend removing are sources of sugar or sweets. You have had bariatric surgery, and sugar does not go very well with our digestive system after surgery. Try getting rid of anything sweetened with sugar, cookies, candies, sweets. And lastly, try to keep sweetened beverages out of the house. This might be things like juice, sweet teas, sodas, Kool-Aids, or energy drinks. The whole point of cleaning out your cupboards and making sure that you're not surrounded by tempting foods is to give yourself the advantage. Make this easier on yourself. We are hardwired to reach for sweet and processed foods. Don't torture yourself by walking by tempting foods all day in your home.